So here we have it, the first, well, actually not the first stage. Here we have the chainsaw stage. Oh, some good corners here before we drop in down this rock. Oh. Speedy. Oh. Wow, so fun. We'll pop down here, some fresh work by the trail builders. Into these rollers. Oh yeah. A little rock garden. Hard to see through here, but there's a flow section. Double that. Oh. Jump, jump, hard corner. Oh, and then we have Merin here. Ah, regaining the lead. Now we're going into the down the climbing trail section. Super flat corner. Oh, almost sliding out. Oh, he's pinning it. Oh my. Some tricky stuff. Bit pedally here. Oh. I'm going outside, he's going inside. Looks like they're about the same speed. Oh. Here we go through here. Big corners. Easy to slide out. Oh, got the really tight line. Pumping through. This tight bit. Inside line. Oh, you're gonna pop out onto the road. Just sprint down the hill into the last section. Get your speed tuck on. See if I can gain some speed on Merin here. See if I can get a pass. Speeds are really high. Bit of a sketchy corner. Don't want to slide out. Just going on the sprint. This might be a deciding factor in the race. Oh, he's passing back. Okay, I gotta put the dropper up. Get in his draft. Okay, he dropped me. Oh, geez. We're almost there. Final bit. Oh. Past the golf hut. Into the last flow section before the finish. Oh. Some final pumping. Manualing. Whoops. There we go. We're at the finish. Ah, that's tiring. I'd say that's the most physical stage of the day.